These are the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 19. Consider the relation defined by this set of four ordered pairs. What are the domain and range of this relation? Okay, well, the domain is the set of all x coordinates of these points, so it would be -2, -1, 1, and 2. And the range is the set of all y coordinates, so it would be 4 and 1. Okay, and then the y coordinates repeat. I have another 1 and another 4, but in set builder notation, you only you list each element once. All right, now I'm going to reverse the components of each ordered pair and write the resulting inverse relation. Okay, so this is going to be a set of ordered pairs where I reverse the components. X becomes y and y becomes x. So I'm going to have 4, -2, 1, -1, 1, 1, and 4, 2. And what are the domain and range of the inverse? Okay, so the domain is all the x coordinates, which would just be 4 and 1. And the range is the y coordinates, which is -2, -1, 1, and 2. And is the inverse relation a function? It is not, because it would fail the vertical line test. We have the point 4, -2, okay, and the point 4, 2. Those 2 points fall on a vertical line, right? We have an x coordinate associated with more than one y coordinate, so this is no, not a function. A function whose inverse is also a function, so not this one, but a function whose inverse is also a function is called one-to-one. So is this relation a one-to-one function? No, because its inverse is not a function.